National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hill County and central Texas, northwestern Limestone County and central Texas, southwestern Navarro County in north central Texas, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hubbard, or 19 miles southeast of Hillsboro, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Hubbard, Coolidge, Blooming Grove, Dawson, Angus, Barry, Oak Valley, Mount Calm, Malone, Richland, and Penelope. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 215 and 220. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 12.